Hello viewers, let's add your house, hujra, also called guest house, business spot or any other location with picture and other detail for swift Google tracking and better visibility globally. So first from your drop down menu, turn on GPS for Google Map and then go and click Maps. Now click this sign and select satellite view and then stretch the map and closely analyze or identify the location for accurate spotting. Now click this plus sign or contribute and now add place. After this you will see another interface, so you can directly write over here or click edit map location for more accuracy and then write place name. After that select category or click it and then residential. Let me click housing complex, or you may select the option in accordance to your requirement. Now click address and provide the address and additional information. You can also provide your web address or channel address, as well as click on add photos, allow access of your mobile and then select the picture, click done and it's almost done. From here you can use your camera for live photography or short videos, or you can add more photos accordingly. Now click on done and click submit. Now you can see your photo has been added and click on OK. Now it's under process and Google will show you the point table against your work. You can click on contribute more if you would like to add more information from above. After uploading, click OK. Now click back, it's done. After 24 hours, let me open another browser in another device and simply type Jakim Khan Tech. Now it shows my entire detail like YouTube channel, Google location which has recently been added, and other information about me. If I click the picture, so simply you can read the pictures you recently uploaded, or click direction, so you will see the map tracking for swift reaching and visibility. You can also share the same with others for reaching your area or better visibility. Thanks for watching.